SadoTech's K2 sensors have one easy method of installation. You are supplied with 2 screws, 2 anchors, and 2 bracket pieces. You will need a screwdriver or a drill. First off, you want to locate an area where your sensor can be installed. Once you've found that, you will make 2 holes on your wall with a drill or screwdriver. Then, fix this part of the bracket onto the wall and line it up. With the screws and anchors you are supplied with, you will secure this bracket onto your wall, like tightly in. Now, with this round bit, with a little pressure, you'll force it in. You'll hear it snap into place. You'll see that this part of the bracket has a slide portion. You will simply slide it in to the back of the sensor. And you'll also hear another snap. You have now installed your sensor. Now, let's learn how to change our battery. Slide this back out and open the battery pack. Inside, you will see 2 AAA batteries. Replace these old ones for new ones. Now, your sensor should be ready to go.